Anyway, you see how fun that was. That was fun. Yeah, hats off for that, you know. See, little exposure there. Oh my God. Oh man. I feel, how about this? Because of how my mind works, it's a gift and a curse. I'll never be bored really because I always find something to do. I always find something to do. I'm always going to have something to do, and I tell you, me now got one thing me now go do. Me now go fret. Me now go fret. Me now go fret. Because that's the first thing you want to do whenever you feel uncomfortable. You want to panic. Boy, I don't know what am I gonna do. What am I gonna do? You know, yeah. Yes, normally you are on time with everything, but you're not gonna be on time every time. Sometime you're gonna late. Sometime you're gonna late. Sometime you're gonna late. So be consistent as often as you can, so that when you're not able to, you don't feel no way. You don't feel no way because you've done it for 6 years and you never miss. So if you never miss in 6 years and then you miss 3 months or 4, look at the maths. 4 months compared to 6. Well, it's more than, as a matter of fact, do 4 months over 6 years and 4 months. 4 over 12 is what? 1 over 3. So that's 6 1/3 years. 6 1/3 years. Think about that. Yeah. No. What? How many months in a year? Not 12. So that's 72 months plus another 4 months. That's 76. So 4 over 76. What do you think? What do you think? See that? See that? When you do the maths, I what? I can't bring the board, you know. I can bring it. Well, it's kind of hard because it start now. I'm trying. Yeah, there we go. There we go. No. Alright, hold on. I know this phone might threaten for drop, but you know, let me turn a little bit on. Get the little action here, so look for a little marker in there. See if I can find one little marker there. Yeah, see there? Who did know say Champloo know little maths? Who did know that? You didn't know? So see there? You have 6 and 4 over 12 years. Though? But then that turn into 6 1/3 years. Though? But then watch again. If 1 year equal 12 months, how many months is 6 1/3 years? Right. You know, see. Hold on there. Hey. Yeah, see that? The box on the right and them something there. You know, remember that? Remember that? So now I'm multiply this by this. Hey. Now this is going to look like 19 over 3. So you understand? 19 over 3. So you have to take 19 over 3 and you multiply it by 12. Right? And then divide this by 3, you get that. Divide this by 3, you get that. 19 times 4. You know, 76 months that, man. Yeah, man, a 76 months that. Right? That means, say, the times where you feel in a life. Right? Let us say in 80 months. in 80 months, you did feel 4 months of that amount of time. Look on that. You know, see that? What? We can do prime numbers, you know. We can do that, you know. Can change them into prime numbers and them things, you know. We can do that, you know. You know that? Yeah, we can do that. This equal 2 times 2. This equal 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8, and then another 2 times 5. But then look again. Boom. Boom. Oh, look at that. A 1 over 20 that, you know. Yeah, man. 1/20th of the time. So in other words, if you get 19 out of 20 things right, why it hurt so much when we get the 1 over 20 wrong? You know why? Think about social media. You ever go on social media and everybody love what you do and you see the one person write some dirty remarks and it make you feel away? That's what this is. That we always notice the things what we never able to do. We always notice what is off. You understand the thing that we never get to do? Yeah, that we notice. Yeah. Who didn't know? Say, who didn't know? Say me, right? So me, this maniac. Who didn't know? Say this maniac could have teach you some maths, eh? I make it related to your life. But watch a joke. Motivation. You're not going to motivate it every day. You won't be. Some days you're going to feel. Yeah, and guess what? There's a reason why it happens. It happens because it's a way to tell you it is okay to not do anything today. You've done a lot for the week. Rest today. Take today and rest. Take today and rest. You don't need to be productive all the time. You can be productive a lot, you know, but after a while, your body will say, yo, you have to slow down, you know. And if you don't listen to your body, guess what will happen? You don't want to take the break? Don't worry, I'll take it for you. Oh yeah. Yeah. See? 6 and 4 over 12. 6 and 1 over 3. Turn that into 19 over 3. 19 over 3. Multiply by this. You end up with 19 times 4. You get 76. And I added 4 more months. So if you did 76 out of 80, do the maths again. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Hold on. So 76 out of 80. Oh. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. There we go. Because that would have been 8 times 5. Anyhow. See that? So if you get 76 out of 80, meaning if you didn't pay your bills on time, 76 times out of 80 months. A good grade that 19 out of 20. And 95% of the time that, you know. Yeah, a good grade this. So, I guess the moral of the story is, yeah, sometimes you're going to feel bad. You're going to feel bad sometimes. And I feel like that is me feeling bad sometimes. You see that nice, I don't like it in my video, but sometimes it pop up. I'm not in control over that. Not a control over that. So you're going to feel bad sometimes. You're going to feel bad. Yeah, I'm going to feel bad sometimes. And I feel like that is why a lot of people, them don't do well with relationships, them don't do well with them career, them don't do well with them progress and them success and them with it. They don't do well with that because what? They're so focused on the fact that yeah, it need to feel good. It's not gonna feel good. It's not going to. I ask yourself the question, when you did go to school as a youth, did it feel good? No. It never feel good. Ask anybody who do MMA or track and field. Did the training feel good? No. It never feel good. It does not. You know, because guess what? You have to manage your injuries. You have to be mindful, say, okay, your hamstring might are too tight, it need to loosen up. Your thigh muscle might are too tight, you need to loosen up. Especially if you are going to track and field or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu or wrestling, you can't afford to have your muscle pull upon you in the middle of the match. You can't afford that. Yeah, so I guess these are the little nuggets of wisdom from one boss man champion, you know. Yeah. There's that. I'm looking for another disguise. Is any of the other disguises here? I don't think so. Oh, well, no, wait. Let me look. Oh, one of the disguises them there. Hold on there. One on there. But him coulda rub out this, you know. Coulda rub out that. No, let's take you on a little walk. Let's take you on a little journey. Huh? Let's take you on a little walk. Huh? Hang on now. Let me see if you can see what's going on out there. You see that? Have a look at that. See that? Man, them at work. And that car nice. Understand? You know, the sun and everything, you know. Right? That car nice. Right? So them don't feel like do it, but them still do it. Them don't feel like do it, but them still have to do it. Right? So I don't know. Plan it. Yeah. So big up Boss Man Champloo earlier for the little demonstration mathematically. It looked like the Boss Man teaching a payoff dividends for the lot of us of out of many one Boss Man about it. Yeah, I mean, why not? Right? So my time now. I did something regarding reels and this kind of thing. So whenever I talk about reels, I use this. So matter of fact, there's a funny thing. Like for example, did you know that? And mathematically, why is this so? One IG reel is 3 minutes, and 2 Facebook reels is also 3 minutes, which means that 1 FB reel is actually 3/2 minutes. But 3/2 is really what? It's really 1.5 minutes. Yeah. So anyway, I think you've been entertained. I think you heard a lot from, you know, a boss man teaching at one point, or one boss man teaching, one boss man champion, one boss man me. And well, cinema left in close at the yard, so we'll go home, we'll talk to him. We'll talk to him when we go home. As a matter of fact, when we make some content together, we're going to talk about it. Yeah, man, we're going to bring up one of him episodes and him go discuss it with we, and we're going to say, but wait there, that's true. But if El did smart, him could have catch Kira a long time. We're going to do that, you know, and it we're going to do. Yeah, man. See? All the blue padding. Alright, so we need to wrap this up. Because light not there, so the phone can't charge. So anyhow, you know, yeah, it's been fun. So I guess We can probably do this for another 3 minutes, yeah? Maybe another 3 minutes. Ay. Oh, I never got blind a while ago. Yeah, yeah. The older you get, man, the older you get, you worry about these things. You worry about these things. You worry. You worry. Hey, there was something I wanted to say, and I don't know if I go get to say it here, but let me say it here. Sometime, when you look on everything that happened in life, you say, but maybe some of the things that happened to me, maybe I have done it to somebody and me never realize that I do. And maybe you don't realize it that you do it to somebody until when it happened to you, you say, oh, maybe karma paid me a visit and them look away there. So you know what? That is why. Do not be afraid of the Grim Reaper. Do not be afraid of death, because in reality, almost everything. So this is a 1 JM moment. Right? A 1 JM moment. I never carried a uniform there, I don't think so. I think I left the time them home, Yeah, I left them. I don't think I carry that one of them. I never carry one of them. Never carry them. Yeah. I was wearing this, I was wearing that. This have to go wash. This have to go wash. I kill time, So this was the shameless advertising for the 3 different boss man. We're not. This person will get them feet chopped. This person will get them feet chopped. As a matter of fact, you're probably not gonna need to promote him that much, because this is the entertainment. Yeah, man. This is where people are gonna have them like an argument. Well, their ideas and discussions and Elle versus Kira. Who should I win? Yes. So don't worry. That I got kill time. But until then, go ahead and look for that. It's going to be on your TikTok and your IG and your YT, YouTube. Who knew?